The KBDFA new G6 Professional Foldable Quadcopter Aerial Drone S6 HD camera is a feature-packed drone that offers a compelling combination of performance and convenience. With its foldable design, it's highly portable, making it ideal for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Equipped with an HD camera, the S6 captures stunning aerial footage and photos, allowing you to create memorable moments from a unique perspective. The built-in GPS ensures stable flight and precise positioning, while obstacle avoidance technology enhances safety and prevents collisions during flight. One of the standout features of this drone is its FPV, first-person view, capability, which allows you to experience the thrill of flying in real time through the drone's perspective via Wi-Fi connection to your smartphone or tablet. This adds an immersive element to your aerial adventures and enhances the overall flying experience. The remote control is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to learn how to fly the drone quickly. Additionally, the drone offers various flight modes, including altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff/landing, providing versatility and ease of use for pilots of all skill levels. In terms of performance, the S6 delivers responsive controls and stable flight, even in windy conditions. The battery life is decent, offering around 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge, which is respectable for a drone in this price range. Overall, the KBDFA new G6 Professional Foldable Quadcopter Aerial Drone S6 HD camera is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-rich drone for capturing aerial footage, exploring the skies, or simply enjoying the thrill of flying. Its compact size, advanced features, and user-friendly design make it a great option for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts alike.